Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to play Factorio multiplayer without account, only ways. Start by launching Factorio and creating a new save set to host as a LAN game, then enable direct connections in the multiplayer menu. Share your PC's local IP with friends and instruct them to join via Direct Connect or LAN browser. Keep versions and mods synchronized to prevent desyncs and enjoy cooperative base building with minimal fuss. Want a stable local host? First load your map and save to avoid progress loss, then open multiplayer and pick the host LAN option. If Windows blocks connections, allow Factorio through the firewall and confirm port access. Find your machine's local IP in system network settings or within the game panel and copy it exactly for friends to paste into Direct Connect. This makes joining quick and reduces troubleshooting while you focus on building together. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like the video to support more helpful tutorials. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker brings your space to life with simple voice control and great sound, perfect for background tunes while building massive factories. It fits any setup and makes late-night playlists effortless. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if that sounds good, hit like. Now let's get back to the video. Have your friends open Factorio and choose Direct Connect, then paste the host's local IP and port to join without accounts. If the session does not show up in LAN, confirm everyone is on the same subnet and turn off VPNs or network isolation features. Agree on game version and mods before connecting, and use the same mod list order to reduce desync risk. Once joined, coordinate spawn roles and enjoy cooperative automation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.